bass, but I don't know. He's got some muscle. Yep, another nice bass. They're feeding. Man, man, we gotta do the same thing with him. Bring him over to the shore here. Yeah, he's still got some flop in him. Man, oh man. It's like rinse and repeat. He's a slightly smaller. Slightly smaller. Nice fish. Bass looking very fat and happy in here right now. Not booming fat, but fat enough. Just gonna hang through the lip. Another nice one. He's nice. That's two in this one little jig head with the skirted tube. Oh, he's hanging out in the mud, and then there he goes.